The essence of culture is simplicity, strictness towards oneself and generosity towards others. पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य। सभ्यता का स्वरूप है सादगी, अपने लिए कठोरता और दूसरे के लिए उदारता। बुक टाइटल अध्यात्म एक प्रकार का समर। Do these questions pop up in your minds? Do we get what we want just by praying? Is the path of spirituality a path for a lazy person? What is a spirituality? What needs to be done to walk successfully on a spiritual path? Spirituality is a kind of battle, a path for the brave. In this journey, one has to fight with our evil tendencies and throw them out. On the basis of karma, every spiritualist should be a Kshatriya, warrior, because Sukhina Kshatriya Partha Labhante Yuddhimi Drashanam means that only fortunate Kshatriya warrior will fight this type of war. What is Samar? Samar means to fight, Mahabharat. You have to fight with yourself, you have to beat yourself, you have to wash yourself, you have to clean yourself. You have to deal with yourself strictly. The author compares a seeker as a fortunate Kshatriya who is given a big basket for which he or she has to pay a high price. But the result one gets out of this is an everlasting peace. How to behave? We should be as gentle as we can with outsiders. You can help others, forgive them, donate, be generous, do whatever you want to make others happy. But with ourselves, we must be strict and strong in every way. We should understand our weaknesses and not only understand without being apologetic about them, but work hard on uprooting them. The aim of sadhana is that our inner state of mind should be cleansed, which is responsible for our body, deformities and mental distortions. It is our mental and physical deformities that have put a wall between God and us. Glad to present a small book on the topic that explains the importance of being polite and having good demeanor, introspection, hard work and honesty, changing vision, revisiting our views, etc. This book tells us that spirituality is not just theory, but it is our daily practice where each day we have to be watchful of our inner tendencies and refine them for our betterment. At the end of the book, the author highlights the crucial facts that need to be taken care of while worshipping. Some excerpts from the book. The way we use a chisel and a hammer to demolish a wall, we use rituals and worship, rituals of hymns, kriya to clean ourselves in the same way. Knowledge is greater than wealth. Therefore, the price of peace should be more than what happiness can cost. Our tongue should not hurt people, it should not offend them. Whenever we speak with a piercing tongue, we speak bitter words. Not only tongue, make good use of sense. To die is very easy, to live is very difficult. To live, one has to fight, one has to struggle. To progress, everybody has to fight, has to struggle. While meditating, one can see our God as smiling at us. We can think that He is responding to us as per our faith. This encourages us in our meditation and helps in our concentration. Our God lives within us. He lives in each breath, in each heartbeat. He is in our nerves as river Ganga and Jamuna. Our vital energy prana is our God. How can you say He is far from us? He is as far as there is a wall between our God and us. And this wall needs to be broken by worship. Some topics covered in the book are: spirituality is a kind of summer. Be strict with yourself. Learn by heart, not mantra. Understand the theory first. Hard to earn, easy to lose. The price needs to be paid. Introspection. Eat the earnings of your labor. Organize your speech. Not only tongue, make good use of every sense. Change your vision, revamp.